Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and today I wanted to announce a brand new course that I've created. This is basically due to lots of requests, lots of questions, and lots of feedback from both the folks on YouTube as well as people on my blog, which you can see here, and on our Facebook page, who are asking lots of questions about how to build a profitable online agency, web consultancy business, or just online brand building company using the web directory or authority site model. So this is going to be all Q&A. It's going to be all question and answer content where I take specific questions. I have 30 set aside already, and I'm going to answer them in a really detailed way using primarily audio and PDF content. I posted this today. You can actually, and there's about 10-minute audio that accompanies this, so you can get a feel for what this is going to be like. This is now on my blog. I'll have a link to this below where you can really look at a common question. This is actually the most common question, how to use featured or premium listings to earn a full-time income using the web directory model. So I explain why I think that's a bad idea, my experience doing this, how I've done with some examples of this, and exactly how to kind of transcend and improve this approach for really creating something that is far more valuable than a featured or premium listing model. So you can actually read that today. The link below, it's here. All right, I just posted this today. It's the 22nd of June. Here's a link to the course. Here's a nice 10 or 11-minute audio that tells you exactly why featured or premium listings is not the ideal model, how to incorporate it in a smart and strategic way, and how actually to do it in a way that really reduces the pressure on you and reduces the amount of anxiety that you're going to face running a directory or listing or a community site using this approach. All right, so if you're interested in this course, you can actually listen to this audio first to see if this is a good feel for you. You can then take a look at the entire course here. There's actually a link to this PDF as well, which you can read, which is accompanying the audio. This is just one question that I answered up front so that those of you who want to get a good feel for what the course is going to be like can do that without paying a thing. All right, check that out at the link below. And if you're interested, feel free to ask questions in the YouTube comments, on Facebook, on my blog, or just sign up. It's a pre-launch page now, costs nothing to sign up. The course is going to be fee-based. I've yet to decide how much, but doesn't hurt to sign up and you'll get notified when we launch, which should be in the next 5 or 6 days, including the cost and everything that's going to come with it. All right, I really think this is going to be a great resource for those of you who are still unsure about how to really launch one of these things and do it in a smart, skillful, and strategic way. All right, thanks so much for listening, and I hope to see you in the course when we start in a week. Thanks.